Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to connect to Fly-Fi Wi-Fi on your Android device. Fly-Fi is the in-flight Wi-Fi service offered on certain airplanes, allowing you to stay connected while you fly. If you're ready to surf the web or stay in touch during your flight, let's get started. Step 1. Enable Wi-Fi on your Android device. First, unlock your Android phone and go to your home screen. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the Quick Settings menu. Tap the Wi-Fi icon to turn on Wi-Fi, or alternatively, go to Settings, Wi-Fi, and make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. Step 2. Wait for the Fly-Fi network to appear. Once Wi-Fi is enabled, your phone will automatically search for available networks. When you're on a plane that offers Fly-Fi, you should see a network named Fly-Fi or something similar in the list of available Wi-Fi networks. Step 3. Connect to the Fly-Fi network. Tap on the Fly-Fi network in the Wi-Fi list. You may be prompted to enter a password, depending on the airline service settings. Some airlines offer free access, while others may require you to purchase a Wi-Fi package. Step 4. Open your browser. Once connected, open any browser, like Chrome, on your Android device. You should automatically be redirected to the Fly-Fi login page. If you're not redirected, simply type any website address into the browser, and it should bring you to the login page. Step 5. Sign in or purchase a plan. On the Fly-Fi login page, you'll have options to sign in if you have a subscription or choose a plan. Some airlines offer free Wi-Fi for basic browsing, while others may ask you to choose a plan based on data limits or speed. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in process or purchase a plan. Step 6. Start browsing. After signing in or completing the purchase, you should have access to the internet. Now you can browse the web, send emails, or even stream content, if the connection allows. Step 7. Disconnect when done. Once you're finished using Fly-Fi, simply go back to your Wi-Fi settings and disconnect from the Fly-Fi network to stop using the service. That's it. You've now connected to Fly-Fi Wi-Fi on your Android device and can stay online while in the air. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides and tips.